Welcome to GamiCon48V. We're so excited that you're joining us. Watch this video for step-by-step instructions on how to join, navigate, and engage in the GamiCon48V virtual platform. Locate the link to the conference in your welcome email. Click on the provided link to open it in your web browser. When you reach the conference site, you'll be prompted to enter your name. Input your full name as you wish it to appear to other participants. Select an avatar from the available options, or upload an avatar or image from your computer. Click the Enter button to enter the main conference space. To choose a different microphone, click on the small arrow at the right side of the microphone icon, located at the bottom menu of the conference website. Choose your preferred audio input, microphone, and output, speakers or headphones. Test your microphone to ensure it's working correctly. Visit the Cogwheel Theater Room to view the current speaker and shared content. You can navigate from room to room by clicking on the navigation buttons. To react to the presentation or raise your hand, click on My View, then click Reactions. If you wish to speak or ask a question, use the raise hand emoji to notify the host. You can also use the thumbs up, thumbs down, and applause emojis to provide nonverbal feedback during the session. From My View, you can also click My Profile to edit your profile, where you can change your display name, company name, or avatar. From the chat panel, you can send messages to all participants, or privately to specific individuals. To chat with a specific individual, click on that person's name. You can view a list of attendees by clicking the back arrow on the top left of the chat panel. As you're participating in sessions, you can mute or unmute your microphone and turn your camera on or off as needed. When you're ready to leave, click the Exit button, which resembles a door in the top center of your screen. Here are some tips to ensure a trouble-free experience. For best results, use a personal computer running Windows or Mac OS and an up-to-date browser. The supported browsers and versions include Google Chrome version 77 or above is the preferred browser. Microsoft Edge version 12 or above, or Firefox version 60 and above. A stable internet connection is crucial. Consider using a wired connection or positioning yourself close to your Wi-Fi router. If you are using a company-provided computer, your company's firewall may block access to the conference website. If this happens, try turning off the VPN. Even with the VPN off, proxy blocking may still be occurring in the background. Try switching to a different device. If you plan to use a company-owned device, ask your IT department to enable the domains GoBrunch.com and *GoBrunch.com, including the protocols TCP and UDP on the port 443. If you encounter issues, visit the conference help area or contact the session organizer for assistance. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary adventure. Fasten your gears, fire up your imagination, and get ready to soar into an unforgettable GamiCon48V experience. The journey begins now. See you on the platform.